recycle it.
Mm-hmm.
The garbage guy probably like... Good job!
That, and it keeps his teeth clean, so I don't gotta piss him off and use toothpaste on him. Or endanger myself by sticking my freaking fingers in his mouth. Nike Bear!
You should just sprinkle some soap on the snow and rub them around in it.
I actually thought about that this morning. Just sticking him outside on his leash, covering him in snow so that he's all wet, and then shampooing him and washing it off with snow.
Farted.
I already farted like 5 times, doesn't matter. Nike, I want to see your gorgeous face.
He's like, hey, cut it out. You're recording him?
Yep.
You recording me when I said I'm recording?
Yep.
He's even getting the sticker off.
Yeah. Oh, I love my destructive puppy.
I just used the one on the freezer.
Oh.
Okay, miss. I think it's time to go start cleaning off that freaking car.
His foot's right through the bottom.
Nike. Whoa. Sounded like a dying pigeon for a minute there.
Yeah, that's nice. I got a pair of dirty socks. And my watch.
Farted again.
I was going to do the same thing again.
So did I.
It's 5 to 8. I might be able to make the bus.
Nike.
Love you.
Love you too.
Oh, you smell good.
I hope so. I went for a shower.
Coconut.
Oh, I just...
Oh, I shouldn't smell like coconut. I don't have anything coconut.